I'm Steve. Welcome to Steve Tries. We're going to talk about guns today. I'm going to shoot a gun. Now this is a Rutger 1022.
Yes.
But I prefer a 23 or a 24. I mean, that's even more pleasing than this, but it'll have to do. As always, my trusty assistant Cliff.
I'm holding the ammo this time.
A lot of years ago, I had a run-in with the law, and it resulted in me, you know, getting arrested and all that good stuff. I got booked and fingerprinted and all kinds of good stuff. And well, today I'm gonna put that to rest. I'm gonna put it behind me. So I'm gonna shoot this target. That is my picture. All right, well, before I shoot this target, I'm gonna Cliff, what size shot is this again?
Okay, let me hold that.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna let Cliff, you know, I'm gonna give him a chance to work with the gun a little bit, you know,
right,
just to
stand over
to
there.
know how he can, you know.
Where the hell are you going?
Well,
Don't be scared of it.
No. Are we
Loaded.
recording? Okay.
Now it's charged. If you pull the trigger,
Now
it
it's
goes off
charged.
now.
Okay.
Put it in your shoulder first. Don't put your finger on the trigger. In here.
Good job. I was just testing.
Oh, thank you. No.
Okay.
Yes. Don't put your finger on the trigger. This goes here, where my hand is.
Okay.
Goes there. Look down that direction.
Good job, Cliff.
Put it down there. When you're ready, pull the trigger one time and let it go. Okay. What did you forget?
Oh, safety.
There we go.
Yeah, good job, Cliff.
Thank you.
I'm glad you caught that.
Mm-hmm.
I was waiting for you to catch that.
I did. Take your finger off the trigger. Let go. You're done.
All right, let's go see. Let's see where we got it. Oh, huh. Look. I got a Maryland mole.
Good job. Shot yourself right in the face.
You see?
Good work.
Well, that's been another episode of Steve Tries.
Steve Tries.